Guys, this is Vox M1W wireless packing system. I got this from Amazon. This is just the unboxing process. IP68 waterproof, 170 wide view angle, 4.3 display screen, super night vision, 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Let's unbox this right now. Make it real quick. Alright, there's a tape here. Cut off this tape. I'm gonna be installing these in Jaguar. Vox. Screen protector is already peeling off anyway. I'm gonna take it off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Got the monitor, got the monitor holder, take this out one after the other. Okay, this is the car charging, charging adapter for the car, and see what we've got here. I think this will be the lens. Yeah, this is the lens and the transmitter, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that it is. There you go. And what else have we got here? Let's take a look at this. And this is the strap. I'm not sure what this is going to be strapping, but I'm going to figure that out later. I think this is for clicking the cable, basically, to holding the cable to any terminal. Basically, I think that is what that should be meant for. And I think this will probably be the transmitter, the cable. Yeah, the transmitter. This will be the transmitter. There's no manual actually. That's strange. Got the. All right. Think it's gonna. All right. No, there should be the manual. Let's find out. Oh yeah, the manual is here. So that's gonna make it a lot easier. What is this card for? Some kind of limited 1-year warranty. That's cool. And the manual. So basically, that's all we've got in this box. The cable ties and for bridging the cables. That's what this clip are for. And the transmitter. Got the camera lens and the charging adapter, the car charging adapter for the monitor and the monitor holder. And thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel. Bye now.